Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is just going to be a unbagging. This is an item that a friend picked up for me and I was not going to do an unbagging on camera because it really isn't anything too special. So I did partially unbag the item, but when I opened it I saw how nice it looked, so I said, you know what, let me just do a quick unbagging. So here is how the item came wrapped. Very cute. It has a little handmade little tag that says thank you and it's wrapped in a really nice little ribbon. And I am normally not one to goo and gaw over packaging or boxes or anything like that, as long as the item is intact. Anyway, here is how it came. And also on the inside, it came with a nice little thank you card. And guys, this caught my eye because I make cards and crafting and stuff like this, so I thought this was really cute. And you guys, she added some little treats in here, and she is from Hawaii, so these are some little Hawaii cookies. They look like little shortbread cookies, so I thought that was a really sweet little gesture. And also she put in some Moana Loa macadamia nuts. Guys, these are so delicious. So I thought these items were just a really nice touch. And again, I'm not really one to goo and gaw over packaging or anything like that, but this one touched me again because I am a card maker and I absolutely love that. So let's get into the item. Here we go. This is again something very simple that I've been kind of loving lately. And she has it wrapped in some nice tissue paper. So I guess you're probably wondering what this is in this thing here, this little wrapping. So here it is, as you can probably tell what it is from here. So let's just open it up. Okay guys, so here is the item. And this is the Crystal Doodle lunch bag in the color clear. And this was new with tags. And this is the lunch bag. This one is a lot smaller than the medium shopper that I unboxed about a week or so ago. And this was new with tags. As you can see, it still has the plastic on the handles. Oh guys, this is so cute. And it is the doodle pattern. I don't know if you can see, but it just repeats itself. This is just a quick grab and go if you just want to throw a wallet, your keys, your cell phone, and some hand sanitizer and your mask or whatever in here. This is the perfect little size. And the handles on this is white with blue trim. So really cute, really neutral. So again guys, like I mentioned, it's nothing special or anything. I just thought the goodies on the inside was actually better than the bag. I was more excited about that. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Okay guys, I just wanted to very quickly share with you just a couple of accessory combinations that I decided to pair with this cute little tote. And as you can see, I have a wallet, a cosmetics case or a wristlet, sunglasses, hand sanitizer, hand lotion, a cute little journal, and some lip gloss that's at the bottom. So this is just, again, a very cute little tote for a quick grab and go. So thank you again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys. So just another very quick unboxing, just to piggyback on the unboxing that I just filmed for you. So this just came, and once I open the box you will understand why I am piggybacking it on the other video. I have absolutely gone crazy for this style of bag, just something a little bit different and something that is very carefree. So let's just see here. Alright, again, something very simple, guys, and it is actually a tad bit out of my comfort zone, but let's just see. So here it is, guys. This is the novelty shopper, and it has the red handles. That's actually what caught my attention about this particular little bag. And I'm thinking this is around the same size as the medium shopper. I got a pretty decent price on it, and I wasn't sure if I was going to keep this or if I was gonna give it to my granddaughter to keep her dance and gymnastics items in, because she's on 2 separate dance teams and she's always carrying around her different clothes and stuff. So anyway, I think this is really cute. So let me just do a quick comparison. Okay guys, so here they are side by side, and as you can see they are pretty much the same size. So I'm pretty excited about that one. And as I mentioned in my other video, I gave the clear one with the white handles to my daughter because it was a little bit too small for me, even just for the little items that I wanted to carry. But I actually like this one. I'm gonna have to see if my granddaughter wants it or not to carry her stuff in, because it does have the cupcakes, it has some bumblebees, it has the gold D&Bs. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little insert into the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.